Hello everyone, welcome to Eat Travel Life. We got a new way for you to try corned beef with the Rachel sandwich. Here are the ingredients you need. You're going to want to start by buttering your rye bread. You want to spread butter on it just like you would a grilled cheese because we are going to be toasting this on the grill or in a pan. Flip your bread over, and now it's time to add Thousand Island. This is going to go on the inside, and we are going to do both slices of bread. For the next part, you're going to want to do this probably in your pan or on your griddle because it's going to get a little messy. You're going to add your corned beef on here, and we have slices because I did not shave this. I used what I have on hand, and you probably will too. If you have shaved corned beef, great, go ahead and use that. And then once we've got all the corned beef on, we are going to add the coleslaw, and you'll see that I started putting the Swiss cheese on. And then remembered, oh yeah, I need to put coleslaw on, so I had to take all of it off. What makes this a Rachel versus a Reuben is we're using coleslaw instead of cabbage, and we're also using Thousand Island dressing instead of Russian dressing. I prefer to eat it this way. It's very good. I don't make coleslaw, so I went to a local restaurant and bought some. And you can decide how much you want to put on there. Now it's time to take this sandwich to the grill. But we got to look at it. It's just beautiful. Go ahead and fire up your stove to a medium heat and place it on. And then I use the burger press to press it down so everything will kind of melt together. If you have a heavy pan, use that instead. Look at how beautiful and delicious that is. Golden brown, perfect. Once it is cooked and melted and warm and hot, it's time to enjoy. This sandwich was a little messy, but it was so good. And it is not a Sammy that I am willing to share. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get more great content.